Saudi king meets Palestinian president in Riyadh. Gaza's rally for release of Palestinians in Saudi jails. Jewish settler attack Palestinian farmers in West Bank. Turkey says YPG PKK release Daesh militant in North Syria. Daesh members should be put on trial in Iraq, France. Turkish and British defense chiefs discuss Syria. US trained SDF for possible Turkish operation report. Turkey's anti-terror push not a crime, Qatar. 61 Iraqi officials sacked over protest. Suicide car bombing in Afghanistan kills 2 soldiers. Bangladesh gives Myanmar new list of Rohingya refugees. 3 civilians killed in firing along Kashmir border.